I'm going to show you how to create a focus mode on macOS. First, we have to open up system settings, and here it opens up in general. From here, we just click on focus, and then here we click on add focus. And here we can either click on one of these, let's say gaming, mindfulness, personal, reading, or work, or we can click on custom. And then we can select some icons, a color, let's say study, and click on OK. And then afterwards, here we can customize this focus mode, set a schedule, set notifications, set focus filters, and that's basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.